Chloe made me into a meme. Oh my God, I'm giving up. Meme it up. What is a meme? An image, video, piece of text, etc., typically humorous in nature, that is copied and spread rapidly by internet users, often with slight variations. An element of a culture or system or behavior passed from one individual to another by imitation or other non-genetic means. Whatever that means, okay? Create an internet meme from an image, video, piece of text, etc. Origin, Greek, that which is imitated, mememe, gene. Okay, so it comes from this Greek word, mimina, which I guess kind of like means like mime, like mimic, and then gene, and then together that means meme, which apparently this word is from the 1970s. I don't believe that in any way, shape, or form. Who in the 1970s was memeing? Okay, this video is about me being memed, or becoming a meme, or as a meme. I think it's one of the greatest goals in life to become a meme. Tell me I'm wrong. I don't know why you're laughing. You don't want to be a meme?
The greatest goals in life.
If you ever thought to yourself, man, what would I like to achieve in life? And the answer was not to become a meme, something wrong. Just kidding. Obviously, I'm joking. There's greater goals in life to become a meme. But when you have photos on the internet that look like this, right here, you've been memed. So I just wanted to go through some photos and talk about the story behind that. So this was a product photo. I was trying to figure out, I can't remember, did Chloe take this photo?
It was me.
Chloe took this photo.
It was a long time ago.
Chloe made me into a meme. So we had just got the very first issue of Braille t-shirts. The very first ones where it just says Braille skateboarding, that's all it says. And we were taking photos to put those photos on the website to sell the t-shirts. And I don't know why. Was it the sun? Was it the lighting? Why do I look so fat right there?
I just think the cinematography there is just superb.
That's just how I look. Sometimes you just look weird, and sometimes I look weird, and that's how I looked. So that day, I instantly became a meme. Yeah, that photo floated around the internet. If anybody wants to just make some glorious memes of me, please meme it up. Let's go wild on the memes. Okay, then the next one. This was me taking a photo. I believe I was in LA. I was filming for my video part, and I was trying this trick, very specific, nose mani, nollie, big spin into switch nose manual. And I did get the trick. It ended up in my video part, and I just took a selfie as a random selfie, and I was purposely trying to be sort of like random and funny, and I made this face. And that became a meme. All kinds of memes, memed out, memed up, down, left, right, meme it up. This one was not really a meme that I know of, but I took this in my garage, another product shoot day. When we have these product shoots, we need to make some new products, new t-shirts and things, so we can have a product shoot so I can become a meme again. Are you down for this, Chloe?
Yeah, I'm down.
Okay, I'm down too, I love it. Okay. This one, man, this one has a very specific story. I think this one has been memed more than any other memes that we've memed yet in this meme. And for a fun drinking game, take a drink every time in this video I say the word meme. Okay, so this was me again filming for my video part. The trick I was trying was double flip, manual, double flip out. And I was trying it for a long time, and it was very difficult. And there was one time where I was laid down, and they put the fisheye lens in my face, and I just made this face like, oh my God, I'm giving up. I'm giving up on all of life, which I think makes for a good photo, which makes for a good meme. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Anytime where there's like a lot of emotion, although all the earlier ones, there was not a lot of emotion, it was just me wearing a t-shirt. You know what I mean? I somehow became a meme. I just have one of those faces. I've been getting people telling me a lot lately, like, you look like this celebrity, you look like this person, your face looks so familiar, which I'm gonna get into some of those here in a minute, so stay tuned for that. The next one is exactly what I was just saying. You look like blah. I said I got tagged in this post so many times for people saying, this looks like you. And it's this guy named Weird Paul. So this is Weird Paul, and he makes videos on the internet. You can check him out. That is Weird Paul. And I would like you to leave it in the comments below. Does this look like me? Please tell me, is this what I look like? Do I look like Weird Paul? And if so, maybe we should do Weird Paul versus Aaron Kyro game of skate. If you guys are down, if you guys are into that, let's go. Weird Paul, come to San Francisco. Let's Weird Paul game of skate. Or I'll teach Weird Paul a skateboard trick. How cool would that be? Okay, so this is like meme number 73. I guess I have been memed a lot, which again, good life goal. This one, I don't know. Somebody just made this. This is part of the glories of the internet. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Nothing really much else to say about that. But somebody took their time to take this photo of me. Here, I believe that day I was skating at the place where we used to make all the videos. It's basically just this giant open parking lot, and we made tons of the videos there. Every Braille video used to be filmed there. And it was just a photo of me holding, I think, one of my new skateboards. And they took my chin and they moved it up and they memed me. Got on the memetron, which is awesome. Oh yeah, this one. Again, this one is me on a Pokemon card. And you'll recognize that photo from an earlier meme. So if we can see here, it says, first try, flip a coin. If heads, this attack does 100. If not, then does 30. Whatever that means, don't totally know. And then the next one is laser flip. It shoots a laser. Pokemon is cool. I'm down with that. Pokemon Aaron Kyro meme, I'm in. I'm in for this. I like that. Okay, this one, this one went around the internet. I believe this one is still, to some degree, going down around the internet. I don't even totally know what people are even meaning by this, which is probably, you know, something that I probably should know. Do y'all FW me? Okay, so obviously I know what that means, but this was a day when we were on the tour, the all-terrain tour, which is the most fun ever. The all-terrain tour was an absolute blast. Shout out all-terrain. So we went on this tour and we were in Las Vegas and it was like 110 degrees and we were skating in this ditch and I was trying to land this trick and I couldn't land it. I was trying to land it for the video. We had the slow-mo and it was all going, it was looking so good and I just could not land this trick. And I basically overexerted myself to the point where I had heat exhaustion. I don't know if you've ever done that. I do this skating a lot. After skating, I get like this super bad headache and I just feel like total garbage. But this was immediately afterwards. My entire shirt is soaking wet from the sweat and my face is completely red and I just look terrible because I had just gone through it in 110 degrees trying to land a trick. And then I took this photo and I posted it on the Instagram and I said, skateboarding is war, which I agree. Like sometimes to land a trick, you go through hell. You have to push yourself physically, mentally, emotionally. You're pushing yourself so hard to land whatever it is you're trying to land. And sometimes you're in the barriers of security. Sometimes it's the heat, it's the temperature, it's the weather, etc. And you're pushing yourself. So that's where that came from. Do y'all beat with me? And that became a meme. I don't know why, I think that one's kind of funny, right?
Yeah.
Well, I think they're all kind of funny. Okay, then this one, another one of my favorites is, you guys gotta please be as brutally honest as you want in the comments, please. Does this look like me, yes or no? Tell me the truth. Is this what happened? I just became Mr. Bean. Because I'm okay with that. If you want me to become Mr. Bean, I've actually thought about doing like Mr. Bean skateboard videos. Mr. Bean learns to skateboard. Tell me that's not a great idea.
Great idea.
Mr. Bean skateboarding spoof. Okay, I think all of the other ones from here forward are pretty much just me and Mr. Bean. In different snares. Do I look like that?
I mean, I can kind of see it.
Chloe!
Just because of the faces you make.
Chloe! I do not look like Mr. Bean. Actually, it's true. I do look like Mr. Bean.
It's the faces you make. You make those faces.
I know. I make those faces because Mr. Bean's the bomb. What are you messing with Mr. Bean? Oh my God, let's do Mr. Bean's series, Mr. Bean Skateboard. Ooh, that'd be so good.
Great, I love it.
Okay, this next one, you're gonna just, again, be brutally honest with me in the comments. I know you guys are trying to hold back in the comments lately. Tell me.
I literally think I've made one like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is mematron. This is when you get memes. This is meme right here. Again, just leave it in the comments below as brutally honest as you want to get. How about this one, huh? I don't even know who that is. What?
It's the sloth from Zootopia.
It's the sloth from Zootopia. So do I look like the sloth from Zootopia or Mr. Bean? Maybe we should do a meme where it's my face, sloth from Zootopia, Mr. Bean. Oh, and then you know what other one I've been getting a lot is that I look like that actor, I think it's like a UK actor that was in like Harry Potter or something. You know who that is? I don't see it myself personally, but you know, I only see Mr. Bean.
I saw one where you were like the witch from Snow White.
The witch from Snow. Okay, that's another good one that we should put on there. The witch from Snow White. That's messed up. Okay, this is not quite like a meme of me, but kind of. Me wanting to kickflip, but not knowing how to backside 180, and then he's looking at kickflips, and then Aaron Kyro's right there like, dude, this is a good meme. This is correct, because this is me teaching the kids the proper way. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Rather than spend the last 15 years trying to teach these kids how to land the kickflip, all I want to do is for you to learn how to kickflip and go have some fun on your skateboard and get out there and have an absolute blast.
Look up the witch one.
You're talking about this? Chloe! This is it. Is that what I look like? Snow White Witch. Can we just put that on a board then?
Absolutely.
Aaron Kyro Pro Model. Aaron Kyro's new Pro Model graphic. The Snow White Witch. So good. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this inspired somebody out there to have fun riding your skateboard. That is the reason we make every single video. The whole purpose of everything I do at Braille Skateboarding is to help you, A, get interested in skateboarding, and B, learn how to ride a skateboard. So get out there, we got everything you need to learn at brailleskateboarding.com. Keep pushing.